Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's session, we will discuss about three reasons why empathy is very crucial for a consultant. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Nathan. I was privileged to work as a consultant in three of the largest and most prominent global consulting firms, which gives me experiences and insights which I would love to share with you all. This channel will be beneficial for you who are looking to break into consulting firm as well as trying to jumpstart your professional career. Now let's jump into today's topic, shall we? Three reasons why empathy is really crucial for consultants. Number one, empathy enables us to understand the interests, the needs, the perspectives of different parties in an organization. We serve different functions and different departments as a consultant. We need to navigate the complexity of an organizational design. Being able to understand the power mapping and difference of interests across this variety of human beings in an organization will enable us to navigate through this complexity. We will be able to position our offerings to best suits the interests of each departments, each directors, each CXOs, which will leads us to the second point. Second reason is empathy will enable us to get buy-ins from different peoples in an organization easier. Why is that? Well, on the first reason, we have discussed how empathy enables us to understand the perspective of different parties, different people. By positioning ourselves as them, we will be able to connect our solutions and recommendations and tailor it so it will appear and it will serve the interests of each different parties. Let me say it will not just appear beneficial and interesting, but it will also truly serve their interest in the long run. As such, you will get an easier time to obtain their buy-in compared to if you just came in with a generic one fit for all solution that doesn't really consider the variance of interest across different functions and departments. Number three is that after all of this, after understanding the interests of different parties and getting buy-in from them, you will get better stance. You will be better viewed in front of your clients. So having an empathy will actually help your reputation in the long run. Whenever a new consultant is coming in to an organization, the initial atmosphere is often very hostile because the people that are inside the organization have already been working in the same industry and sector for maybe 30 years or 40 years or more. And then came along a greenhorn consultant who has just graduated from university. Of course, there will be a lot of people that views us one-sidedly. And showcasing this empathy instead of coming on as an arrogant consultant that somehow know it all even though we don't have as much experience will help to display ourselves as a humble human being and make it easier for us to connect with our clients. And at the end of the day, they will trust us more and it will enable us to build long-term trust-based relationship with these people. So let me recap why having an empathy is very important for a consultant. There are three reasons for that. Number one, it enables us to understand the dynamics of different interests, different needs, different wants across different people in an organization. Number two, it will enable us to get an easier time in obtaining buy-ins from these people because we took time to understand their needs. And lastly, having an empathy will enable us to improve our stance, having a better reputation, and enable us to establish long-term trust-based relationship with our clients in a smoother manner. I hope this has been very informative. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.